I'm making this amazing mint chocolate mousse tart from Chef AJ's Sweet Indulgence. The crust has dates, walnuts, cocoa powder, peppermint extract, and it's going to go in this springform pan. Process it until it all clumps together. So now it's pressed firmly and evenly against all the edges. Time for the filling. We're going to combine cocoa powder, vanilla bean powder, walnuts, shredded coconuts, dates, peppermint extract, and the dates you soak in oat milk and process them. For the filling, process the walnuts into a nut butter, then add cocoa powder, shredded coconut, and vanilla bean powder. Cool. Now we're going to add the soaked dates and peppermint extract. This is nice. Add the pureed dates to the amazing chocolate mixture. Combine the two. All right, it's getting there. Transfer the filling onto the crust and freeze.
Oh, beautiful. Thank you, Chef AJ. Look at that.